Hello everyone, my name is Natalie Rowley and this is my slide design. I chose to work with Wrigley's Extra Gum ad campaign entitled Give Extra, Get Extra. I love this one and I'm sure most of us are familiar with it, if not with their print ads, probably with the viral commercial a few years back about Sarah and Juan's love story set to the song I Can't Help Falling in Love. But today I'm going to talk about this specific print ad and my contribution to it. I think just a few more notes about that campaign. I think it's very powerful because whenever we see it, we associate a happy, joyful moment with Extra Gum. I know I have since they've started it. Extra Gum's not even my favorite gum, but I'm more likely to pick Extra Gum up because of their heartwarming and simple and beautiful ad campaigns. So what I love about this one specifically is they use design lines very well. So with the boat, the background, and the gum wrapper, it directs our attention to their call to action. And because of how dynamic the lines are, it does give us a sense of movement, of action. I also want to briefly talk about the color green and how calming and earthy and simple that color is, and how it does bring us a sense of calm and I guess touches us down to our roots. So another thing that I felt this ad did very well was the typography. So it uses a simple sans serif font, and they centered it, which I thought was interesting. But because it kind of works with the ad, because it is free-spirited, it is a simple and fun ad, and so it does work with the centered and no frills, no serifs. It's just a simple font. So here I'm going to start talking about mine. The photographer, my sister, took this photo. It's of my cousins in Lake Powell, and I didn't do as much green as the original ad, but it also had an element of water that I really liked. And water to me means change, and I felt that was very effective as far as a call to action, is implementing that water, and so I wanted to keep that. So I chose this photo. I did a little 2-second doodle for that, but I really like this photo and how it works with the original ad as far as the water, and it still has some of the coloring and the simple snapshot of a very happy, simple, joyful moment. It also uses design lines. They're a bit dynamic with the background and the gum wrapper. This one, I really liked mine because it just has an upward movement. And I really like that because that's hopeful and happy to me. And so those design lines are effective that way. I also used a sans serif font. I couldn't obviously find the exact one, but I was very happy with how close I got. Very simple, have a fun element. It's called Engine, and I just liked that one. And so celebrating life's little moments one sketch at a time, and it just emphasizing how simple and happy life can be. We complicate it often, but just with a simple stick of gum, a little sketch, we can remember what matters most. And I believe mine went along with Wrigley's Extra Gum original ad because it did capture that simple little happy moment in a artistically and beautiful, simple photo and design. Thank you.